Hey everyone! Are you ready to achieve flawless skin with just a few simple skincare tips? Today, I'm going to share some essential steps to get that glowing, healthy skin you've always dreamed of. Let's dive right in. First things first, always remember to cleanse your face twice a day, morning and night. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Cleansing helps to remove dirt, oil, and makeup that can clog your pores. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Next up, exfoliation. This step is crucial, but should be done carefully. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week can help remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Just be sure to choose a product that's not too harsh to avoid irritating your skin. Now let's talk about hydration. Moisturizing is a must, no matter your skin type. Even oily skin needs hydration. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer for daytime and a richer formula for nighttime. This will keep your skin plump and soft. And don't forget about sunscreen. Applying sunscreen should be a non-negotiable step in your morning routine. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. This will help prevent premature aging and reduce the risk of skin cancer. One of my favorite tips is incorporating serums into your routine. Serums are packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns like dark spots, fine lines, or dullness. Apply them after cleansing and before moisturizing for the best results. Speaking of dark spots and blemishes, don't underestimate the power of spot treatments. These products can speed up the healing process and reduce inflammation. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, or tea tree oil for effective results. Finally, let's talk about lifestyle habits. Drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, and getting enough sleep are all vital for maintaining healthy skin. And of course, try to manage stress levels, as stress can wreak havoc on your skin. So there you have it. Simple yet effective skincare tips to help you achieve that flawless, glowing skin. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your routine, and you'll see amazing results over time. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare and beauty advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!